What's up, my fan lovers? Welcome to another edition of Fan Time. It's your host. Shut up. This is your host, Joe, and what you're looking at here is an unknown model, but it's a Harbor Breeze. You can find this anywhere at a Homes or at a Lowe's hardware store. 52 inch. It looks pretty. It was once dusty, but now it's clean. It was cleaned by yours truly. You got big old oak blades and a light kit. It looks wicked. Now let's see how this thing operates. Looks like it does a pretty good job. A little less airflow than the Hampton Bay ceiling fan, but fan is a fan. And there you have it, the 52-inch Harbor Breeze ceiling fan. And you can find this at any Lowe's hardware store. Well, until next time, holla at your boy.